You all probably would have faced this frustrating issue. When you're trying to align clips, there can be unnecessary overlapping or gaps within them, and it is pretty hard to align them precisely. So you will have to zoom in and then adjust them very precisely and ensure that there are no overlaps. But still, there are chances that there can be overlaps or there can be some gaps. To fix this frustrating issue, the small tip lies here. Watch till the end of the video to know what it is. The tip here is go to the sequence menu and click on Snap in Timeline option. Once you click on Snap in Timeline, you get a ruler where you can easily align them straight forward. It's so simple and very effective. You can just see how fast and effective it was.